Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome back to a new video. So this is lesson number 9 of my channel, my series on how to create apps. So I hope you are enjoying my previous videos like a lot. I'm going to try my best to make them as good as possible for you. Okay, so let's get started. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you more how to create apps. So you open up your home screen and go to Pre-Reader Express, or click the link in the description of the video. Then click puzzle number 1. Here down in loop section, ocean draw ocean scene with loops. Then click number 1. If you want, you can watch this video, but I'm not going to watch it because that's going to take a long time. This is a new type of puzzle called draw something fun. Okay, there's a new type of puzzle called artist. Play with the level and draw something fun. So it's just like the way that we did the last video, but I'm going to draw something different that we drew in the last video. Okay. East, south, west and north. East 3 south, and I'm just going to do 3. Or you can do like this. You saw what I just drew, a big square, a little different from what I drew in the last video. And click finish. Here you can share your drawing and all the things. Now the artist draw this line 2 times forward. So here the artist wants to draw 2 lines but can't. Let us help him. Let's help him. Okay, so need to repeat 2 times east and then run. Continue. Our artist is trying to draw a line 5 times but can't get it right. Can you help? So 5 times. Repeat 5 times east. Perfect, just like that. And continue. And again, if you want to watch this video, you can watch it, and I'm not going to watch it. Okay, now use a repeat 5 loop to draw this line 5 times. Drag. The artist wants to draw 5 times loop, like these lines. So 5. Easy peasy. Draw a line 7 steps long. This will become our horizon. So I have no idea what horizon is. And I'm just going to draw 7 steps. And I'm going to click run. Ta-da! Let's put a nice hill in the back. So here the artist wants to put a hill. And here you can see we have new blocks. Northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. No other blocks except the repeat. So northeast goes north and east, like up and slanting. So we need one northeast, and southeast goes down and in the south, in the east position. Then southeast. And then run. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 8. So use the repeat block to add waves to the water. Here we need to add waves to the water. Here you can see we have to repeat. Here let's just add 3 times repeat. Perfect. We need a ladder up the boat. So here you can see the artist wants to make a ladder but can't. So let's help him. Here we need to repeat east and west and jump north 4 times. Then run and wait till the artist finishes everything. Lovely. So this is one of those challenge puzzles. I'm going to accept the challenge. Here, challenge. The stairs down the dock are broken. Help me fix them. The artist wants you to help him fix the dock stairs. So we need to repeat east, south. We need to add one block. This code over here will already be here for you. You need to just add a south block and then that's it. Click run. The challenge is actually a little easy peasy. Challenge complete. Time to head back to land. Help me put down the stones so I don't fall in. Here you can see we have a new set color block. That sets the color of the ink in which the artist draws. I'm going to put a set color block to red or any color I want. I want it to be generally a little light green type thing. I'm going to repeat. Now you have to repeat east. And you can see there are gaps. That means we have to use jump east 4 times. Now look, fills it in this kind of color. So set color sets the color of the artist's ink. Help me build steps to watch the ship sail away. The artist wants to look at the ship sail away. This is easy. Just need to move north thrice. like this, north and east 3 whole time, like this. And now the artist has a clear view of the shape. The artist saw something funny in the distance. Now what do you think he saw? Ideas. In puzzle number 14, I'll draw something which might look funny and odd to you. Repeat 3 south. You can draw anything you want actually here, but think funny. Repeat 3 north and repeat east and north, east, north and west and south. Okay, now run. Now what do you think it's going to draw? That's right, a flag. Salute everyone, salute to the flag. Okay, so then finish and continue. So that's all for today's video, chapter 9. So I hope you enjoyed the video. But before you leave the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any suggestions for me, be free to leave them in the comment section below. Bye.